Welcome to SFSU Labspace, which allows you to access computing resources in a virtual environment, without having them installed on your own computer. This is the easiest way to work on your Microsoft Access Grader projects if you have a Mac computer, as there is no MS Access database program for the Mac. Please keep in mind that for this to work well, you will need a reliable and fast Internet connection. SFSU's Labspace program is run by Academic Technology, located in the library building in Room 80. The same group that runs and maintains iLearn. If you need any help with Labspace, or iLearn, visit the library Room 80. Just follow the signs for the iLearn Help Desk. The iLearn and Labspace Help Desk is available Monday through Friday from 8 to 5 p.m. Labspace has automatically been activated for all students who are currently enrolled in the Information Systems for Management class, ISYS 363. The URL is labspace.sfsu.edu. To log in, you will need your SF State student ID as the username, and your school or iLearn password. The first time you log in, it wants to check if you have the Receiver plugin installed. For this tutorial, simply click on Use Lite version. Please watch the Labspace Option 1, Citrix Receiver Plugin tutorial to see how the other options works. When you log in for the first time, the screen will appear blank, as you have not yet added any application to your favorites. Click on the Apps tab instead. Here you will find plenty of applications, including Microsoft Access and Excel. Click on the details for the app you want to use. Then add the application to your favorites. It will appear on your Favorites tab, the next time you log in. Click on Open to open the application, for example, Microsoft Access. It will open the application inside of your browser window, even though it is not installed on your computer. You are working in a remote virtual environment. As stated before, you need a reliable and fast Internet connection for this. You are using a program that is not installed on your computer. The key to success is to understand how to use files from your local computer in this remote virtual environment, and save them back to your computer. There are two different ways to do this, depending on how you are using Labspace. Either with the Citrix Receiver plugin, or without. If you did not install anything, you are likely using the HTML5 version without the plugin, as you can identify by the collapsed menu on the top of the screen. If your screen looks different and you installed the Citrix Receiver plugin, please watch the other tutorial or contact the iLearn Help Desk in the library. You can find all the tutorials at https://tutorials.dcio.cc/ISIS363. To get started without the plugin, click on the menu icon. To work on a file from your computer, click the Upload button. You will then need to select the Microsoft Access file you want to work on to upload. Select the file and click Upload. Then you need to decide and select where you would like to place the uploaded file. Make sure to remember your selection. It might be a good idea to just place the file onto the virtual desktop in the cloud, or create a new folder for your homework. Here I have created a folder on the virtual desktop where the file will be placed. Once uploaded, click Open Other Files and click on the folder where you placed your file. Navigate to the folder in the cloud where you saved your files. Select the desired file and open it. You will need to enable the content to be able to open the file and work on it. Now you can work on your assignment. Save it in between in Labspace. When you completed your work, you must download the file to your local computer. Important, you don't have possession of your file. If you lose the Internet connection, log off, or get a timeout, you may lose your file. Essentially, if you don't use the Citrix Receiver Plugin version, you will always need to download your file first before you take a longer break. To download the file you worked on, click on the collapsed menu on the top of the screen. Click on Download in the menu, navigate to your file, and then download it to your computer. You will then be able to upload it in MyLab IT for grading. If you need any help with Labspace or would like to share your feedback using it, visit the library room 80. Just follow the signs for the iLearn Help Desk. This was the version without the plugin. To see how it works with the plugin installed, please watch the other tutorial. Thank you.